Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix uTorrent slow download speed. Firstly, open uTorrent Classic on your PC and click on Options, then Preferences. Check these two options, append.ud to incomplete files and pre-allocate all files. This ensures files are properly allocated and prevents fragmentation issues. Just click Apply. Now, go to the Bandwidth tab and set the following values. Global maximum upload rate to 10 kilobytes per second. Global maximum download rate, no limit, and global maximum number of connections, 2000. Maximum number of connected peers per torrent, 500, and number of upload slots per torrent, 14. Then hit Apply. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.